Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and I'm at the Aloe Hotel where there was a recent fire. And you can see part of the damage from up here, or down here rather. I'm just going to have a look around, see what else is visible. One thing I noticed that I didn't realise before is that down here there's a indoor pool. As you can see through there. What I'll do is put the indoor mode on in a minute. We'll have nose. So the Aloe Hotel was abandoned a few years ago now, and it was originally going to have a big tower built on its place, but that appears to be going, the second tower appears to be going on the opposite side of the main tower now. Right, when we go in here, I'm going to switch camera modes. Actually, it's still a bit bright for indoor, so we'll stick with the regular mode for now. That's interesting. Now, there's an old running, well, I don't think, oh, I can come down and have that. You can't, it's knackered. But that used to be a running machine. And here's where the pool used to be. I wonder if there's a steam room. I've got a thing about steam rooms. I think it's because of I have sinus issues. There's some nice little, well, I say nice, they're not really, are they? But ornaments. There's an old jacuzzi. Emergency action information. Indoor pool regulations. There's a lift shaft there. Right, now what I'm going to do is get my torch out. Have a bit of a wander through here. Oh, this is that old toilet, so you won't find a steam room in there. Cool. These mirrors have seen better days, though. I know, oh, that mirror's complete. I know this isn't the fire damage, but someone's nicked all the ornamental fishes from there, so they must have been special to someone. So we'll go back out here briefly. Come in this one. Sauna and jacuzzis. This could be what I was looking for. Oh, it's bigger than I thought it was. Or is this just more toilets? Yeah, changing rooms they look like. Hope the footage is okay. It's kind of difficult. That's better. Making sure that there are more changing rooms here. Right, so let's get this door open. Oh, it's a sauna. Very small one. A retrospective review of the Aloe Hotel spa facilities. The sauna was a bit small. So I couldn't see a steam room anywhere, unless I've seen one and it's just been obliterated. But what's through here? Can I get to the rest of the hotel this way? Oh, there's a staircase going up. There's another room in here. Know why I've got the torch on there. It's a bit superfluous, so we can go through here. Now, the fire damage was on the first floor. Oh, I know where we are now. Someone's got something against Enya in the graffiti over there. Surprisingly to me, because most of the things you'd think would burn are on the ground floor over there, in that direction. I'm not going that way though, because the staircase up, from what I remember, is this side. You can see pools of water where the fire brigade had been. Now you can't smell it, but there's definitely a burnt whiff in the air. I'm obviously not going to poke my nose around too much if there's any danger of structural damage, etc., or sign that they're doing repair work. And I can't see why they'd be doing any repair work, given that the building's due to be knocked down anyway. I think now I might, I was going to say change. We can get away with the torch. There's smoke damage at the lift. Now would be a good time to change camera mode again. Right, this will give us a bit more light. Well, looking at this is definitely X marks the spot. This little bit here. Sorry, I'm just going to try and... That's better. So lots of doors have gone up. That's pretty much it though, I'd have thought. Oh, it was more centred on that side. If you look, I'm not going to go in there. I'll walk along a bit longer, but there's no point going in too much because it's just all... But it's fascinating seeing the blisters on the paint there. So, that is what the inside of the Aloe now looks like. I'll pop up to the second floor to see if that was burned at all. But this corridor at least definitely got it. Shame I can't film it all in the one mode because this mode doesn't require any stabilisation added. But when you go in film indoors, you have to turn all that sort of stuff off just to give the camera a chance to record what it can. That's the thing about action cameras. We don't really like low light conditions. Right, second floor's not too bad. There's obviously some damage. But there's more. You can see what a room would have looked like. It's not as if it had been full of furniture. But now we're pretty much in the same sort of territory we were in on the first floor. Pan the camera down. There's a certain amount of charcoal I can show you. So let's go up to the third floor. To admit, it's a bit of a change from the usual things I wander around. Oh. Very sad that this hotel had to close. Right, this is floor 3. There's a closed door up ahead. Looks like there's smoke damage on it, which is understandable. Did the fire reach here though? I don't think so, looking at that. Smoke damage. Oh, there's a bit of flames. Let's pan the camera up. I've licked the top up there, you can see. Just about. But the rooms themselves mainly seem to have smoke damage. Anyway, let's go and have a view from the balcony to finish. See, there wasn't a lot in the rooms to actually burn, which is a bit of a godsend. And it kind of just adds insult to injury, really, that the whole place went up. But there you have it, that's the Aloe Hotel. Cheers and thanks for watching.